In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the armrest cover on this Volkswagen Beetle. This goes on the center console. Let's get into it. We're just going to fold the seats up so we can access it a little easier. You're going to raise the cover up, and then with a straight blade screwdriver or a trim tool, you're going to pry on one side of the hinge. Just squeeze it in, and then it will slide right out. There's two little pins on each side. You're just trying to squeeze that together and then twist it, and it comes right out. Installing the new cover, we're going to do the same thing. Just take the pins, line one up, and then carefully slide it in place. Set it in the right place, then you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.